Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry wallpaper problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to right click on desktop and select personalize from the drop down menu. So here it is, simply click on it. Then in the personalization window, we need to select background from the left hand menu. So under the background section, make sure that pictures is selected in the drop down menu. So from here you can also choose a photo, clear photo, by using this browse photo. You can select the clear photo from here and you can set as a background wallpaper. After that, make sure we need to select fill or fit in this section. So after that, close this window and then press Windows key plus X key on your keyboard and then select device manager. So here it is. Now we need to expand display adapters. Then right click here, select properties, then go to drivers tab, select update drivers. So the base drivers are installed. Now we need to close this window. Now we are going to adjust our display settings. So right click on desktop, then select display settings. After that, we need to select scale from system. So select it. Then we need to custom scaling. So we have to select 100%. You can type in, then click here. You can also select 125 and then change it back to 100. Now click on OK. Now close this window. So simply you can restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.